Hello everyone, welcome back to a new post today. Let's today look at the most important topics that you need to keep track for March 22nd for the upcoming UPSC Civil Services Examination Prelims of 2025. And now rupees of 50 lakh crores for demands of grants have gained nod in the Lok Sabha. I previously spoke about how Article 103 speaks of the demands of grants. Also, the guillotine process is going to come taking place. So, what is guillotine? It is a part of the budgetary process, and due to time constraints, not all the demands of grants can be discussed individually in the Lok Sabha, and therefore, on the last day that is allotted for the discussion of the demands for grants, the Speaker applies guillotine, that is, all the outstanding demands of grants which could not be discussed are put to vote directly together without any discussion, therefore ending the budget session. However, the budget session ends with the approval of the appropriation bill and the finance bill. Appropriation bill legalizes the expenditure side, while the finance bill legalizes the revenue side. And the United Nations Framework Climate Change Convention COP30 is going to take place in Brazil, Belém, so from November 10 to 21st, and it houses the equatorial forests of Amazon, and therefore there is a lot of discussion with regard to forest protection as well. On March 21st, International Forest Day was celebrated. The candidature for Brazil was announced during COP27 in Egypt, Sharm el-Sheikh, and COP29 was held in Baku, Azerbaijan, COP28 Dubai, UAE, COP27 Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, COP26 Glasgow, UK, and COP25 is Madrid, Spain. Now, India is going to chair the Indian Ocean Rim Association in November 2025. Formerly, it was called as Indian Ocean Rim Initiative and also Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation. It consists of 23 states bordering the Indian Ocean. The forum brings together the academia, business leaders, and also the government. It brings about cooperation between the nations, and its secretariat is located in Abyn, Mauritius. Now, the Indian Ocean Rim Association has identified 6 priority areas. They are maritime security, trade and investment facilitation, fisheries management, disaster risk reduction, economic and scientific cooperation, and tourism and promotion of cultural exchanges as well. And now India is hosting the 14th meeting of the ASEAN Defence Ministers Meeting Plus Experts Working Group on Counter-Terrorism, which was held in March 19th and 20th at Delhi. India and Malaysia co-chaired the meeting. The delegation of the 10 ASEAN members, which include Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore, and Thailand, and 8 dialogue partners, which include Australia, New Zealand, Republic of Korea, Japan, China, USA, and Russia, along with Timor-Leste, and the ASEAN Secretariat participated in the meeting. This is the first meeting for the activities planned under the Economic Working Group of Counter-Terrorism, and the ASEAN Defence Ministers Meeting Plus is a platform of 10 ASEAN members and 8 dialogue partners, which I just told, which are collectively called Plus. So the 8 dialogue partners are called as the Plus countries to strengthen security and defence cooperation and peace and stability and development in the Indian Ocean region. The inaugural meeting of the Plus was convened in Hanoi in Vietnam in 2010. And Supreme Court is going to begin the hearing of pleas with regard to GM crops. So what are GM crops? These are genetically modified crops which are used in agriculture and various other purposes like production of biofuel as well. The DNA of these crops has been modified using genetic engineering methods. Plant genomes can be engineered by physical or by use of agrobacterium for delivery of sequences hosted in the tDNA binary vectors. And in most of the case, the aim is to introduce a new trait in the plant which can be resistance to certain pests, diseases, environmental conditions like drought-prone areas, less rainfall or water availability, reduction of spoilage, resistance to chemical treatments, that's resistance to a herbicide, improving the nutrient profile of the crops, and also examples of certain non-food crops include pharmaceutical agents, biofuels, and other goods as well as bioremediation. The Indonesian Mount Levutobi Laki-Laki erupted almost 8 times. Now India has hundreds of volcanoes. It is located on the convergent belt of the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, and Mount Levutobi Laki-Laki is located there. The other important mountain is Merapi. Indonesia consists of Sumatra, Sunda, Java, and also other islands, which take a look at what are they. It is also surrounded by the Indian Ocean, Java Sea, Banda Sea, Flor Sea, and Timor Sea as well. And these are the most important topics I thought I should be tracking for you all for March 22nd. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment at the end of the video. I shall see you in my next post. Until then, it's very happy learning.